So we want to know if we go into the HSC and section 1 of our exam is multiple choice, each with 4 possibilities, and there's 10 multiple choice questions. If we just purely guess, what's our chance of getting them all right? But more importantly, something more difficult like what's the chance of getting exactly 3 of the questions right? So you guessed it, we're looking at binomial probability. Getting a question right is success. So the probability of success is 1/4. And the probability of failure, which I'm just going to call Q for the time being, is equal to 3/4. Now your question was, you've got 10 multis, what's the chance of getting exactly 3? 10 multis, probability that X equals 3, where the random variable is how many you get right. We want exactly 3 questions right. It could be the first 3, it could be the last 3, it could be question 5, question 8, and question 10. Just chance of getting 3 out of 10 by purely guessing. So we go straight to our binomial formula, and we're going to say we've got 10 C3, and our success is 1/4, and our fail is 3/4. Now, this has to add up to 10, so 7 are going to be wrong. That there is our chance of getting exactly 3 questions correct if we just straight out guess. And that will be 10 shift divided by, so that's 10C3 times 1/4 to the power of 3 times 3/4 to the power of 7. And it's 0.25 roughly. In a 10 question multiple choice situation, the chance of getting, by guessing, the chance of getting exactly 3 questions right is just a bit over 0.25. What about getting exactly 8 questions right? Well, then you would simply change this to an 8 and this to a 2. Do you think there's much chance of getting 8 questions right when your chance of guessing a particular question is only 1/4? 10C8 times 1/4 to the power of 8 times, 10C8 times 1/4 to the power of 8 times 3/4 to the power of 2. I get 0.000386. Not a lot of chance. If you percentage that times by 100, that's 0.04% roughly. 0.04, not much percent chance of getting 8 right by pure guessing. Probably helps to turn the video off.